Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install PHP on Linux. So first of all we will maybe check if our PHP is installed, so I will go into terminal and we can do it by typing in PHP -v. As you can see, my PHP is not installed. We have some comments right there, but I will show you the better way. I will show you how to do it, basically how to do it with browser. So we'll go into browser, and inside this browser I will type in PHP for Linux. I will press enter, and right there we have something like installing from packages on. I think this is fine. We have to basically go on the php.net site, so something like this. This is the official PHP site. Here we have to click on downloads, and here we have our downloads and installation instructions. So I worked with Linux, so I can leave that, and right now it depends on what distribution you are using. So if you are using Fedora, you can choose Fedora, and you have this command. If you are using, for example, Red Hat, you can use this command. This is basically the same as on Fedora. If you are using Debian, you can use this command. If you are using, for example, Docker, you can use this command. You have the Docker command, so you can use that. I am using Ubuntu, so I will choose Ubuntu. And right now, sudo apt update is not really necessary. Without sudo apt update, this command will work, but I would say it is recommended to do it before every and each installation. So I can do it. As you can see, 13 packages can be upgraded. I will not upgrade them now. I will move to the second step. So sudo apt install -y PHP. What this -y stands for? This basically will confirm everything during the installation, and we will not have to basically pressing things manually. So it is useful, I think. So we can leave it for now. And as you can see, it is on 57%. Almost 70, 80, so we have to wait a bit and our installation will be finished. So it is on 87%. It is taking some time. As you can see, we have created symbolic links setting up. So it is almost finished, so 99%. And by doing this command, our PHP is installed. Again, we can use PHP -v. As you can see, we have PHP version 8.3.6, so everything is working and everything is working fine. So if you know how to install PHP, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.